That pull right there was 2,101 horsepower. Now we'll go to the computer screen. I'll zoom in here. That's Steve Morris Racing engines, of course. We're only sweeping that because actually these are just 80mm turbs, and it's actually a little too small turb for this motor. So that's 2,101 at only 6,700 RPM and 1,789 foot-pounds of torque at 58.55. And actually the dyno was having a little bit of struggle loading that much torque, so that's why we had to run it from 6,000 to 7,000. So just an example of one of our engines, and we will bring this up here for you. Power's pretty flat all the way across there. And if you look through here, we have all of that was at manifold pressure of 27 and was gradually going down because the turbo was just a tick too small. And air fuel ratios, this is all with a single CNS 900 CFM carburetor. 1789 at 6,000 RPM. Foot-pounds of torque. Amount of fuel this was using was, let me bring that up here at pressure, 179 gallons per hour of fuel at 2,100 horsepower. That equals us out to about a 50, I'd have to do the math, about a 52 brake, right around there. And just another one of our engines right here at Steve Morris Racing Engines.